this video, we will be adding an Elite IP camera to a Prime Series NVR that has built-in POE. Now we're doing this at the local interface, so go ahead and right-click with your mouse and select Menu. Now select Camera. Okay, this is one way of getting to the IP camera screen. The other way is to right-click and back out and go back to your main menu. So right-click and then select Add IP Camera. Okay, in this example we have an Elite IP camera on our local network. So we're going to bypass the built-in POE and use our local IP address. So just go ahead and just edit on there and select Manual. Now Plug and Play is for Prime Series cameras on Prime Series recorders. So in this example we'll use Manual since we're using an Elite Series camera. We'll go ahead and type in our local IP address, 192.168.1.108. The protocol will be ONVIF. The management port is 80. Transfer protocol will be auto. And in this example, the username is admin and our password is admin123. Just select OK. Alright, and now we have our live image up in real time there. Okay, and that's how you add an Elite IP camera on a Prime Series NVR. Thank you for watching.